I run an entire business by myself. No team, no employees, no big budget. And here's the thing, a few years ago, that sentence would have been a joke. Back then, nobody took you seriously as an entrepreneur unless you had a team. And a team meant a big budget. And even if you went solo, you still had to outsource half your work, which still meant a big budget. And let's say you went the venture route to raise the money. Well, here's the reality. Over the past few years, women received less than 2% of venture funding. No money, you were stuck. Well, that's over. I run the whole thing with 6 AI tools doing the work that used to take a whole staff. My marketing, my admin, my design, my content, all of it. So I can build something profitable without burning out and without giving up my actual life. So instead of being the person forced to wear every hat, I hand those hats off to AI. Because are we still doing the hustle culture thing? Yeah, not me. And one of these tools runs in the background while I sleep. These are the exact 6. Let's get into it. Hey, I'm Efwa. I help women use AI as leverage to build a profitable business without a big team, without a big budget, and without giving up their lives. New videos come out every Thursday. Okay, so tool 1, and it's the one I'd say first if I lost all the others. Tool 1 is Claude. If you're a solopreneur, you probably don't have a coach or a guide on call. Claude is your strategist, the brain you get to think aloud with. But here's what most people get wrong. They use it like Google. One line in, one generic answer out. They're not using it anywhere near its potential, and then they decide AI is overhyped. The difference between a useless generic answer and a genuinely great one comes down to one thing, the prompt. And I'll show you. Write me an Instagram caption about my business. Claude's gonna return something generic, a bland, could be anyone caption. Then we have take 2, the rich prompt. You're my marketing strategist. My business helps women start a profitable business using AI. No team, no big budget. My audience is ambitious, but overwhelmed and short on time. My voice is warm, encouraging, and a little funny. Write an Instagram caption about how AI can give you your evenings back. See that? Same tool, same request. The only thing that changed was context. You give it context, which, as I said earlier, you give it a good prompt. You tell it who you are, what your business is, who you're talking to, and it stops being a search engine and starts being a teammate. I use Claude to plan content, write in my voice, price offers, and think through decisions when there's no one else to ask. If you adopt nothing else today, adopt this. And if you're new to this, I actually built a free mini course called Build Your AI Team that walks you through setting it up from scratch. I'll link it below. But tool 2 breaks people's brains a little because tool 2 is Descript, and it changes what making videos even means. It lets you edit a video by editing the text, which is a transcript of the video. If you don't like something you said, well, you just delete those words. And the video cuts itself out, just like that. It strips out filler words, the ums and the likes automatically, it cleans your audio, fixes small mistakes without you having to refilm. So if I can't edit has been your excuse for not showing up, and trust me, editing, oh my gosh, I hate it. But if you dread editing because it takes forever and you just hate it like I do, Descript is about to be your best friend. One person, but it feels like a whole content team. And speaking of looking professional, that's where tool 3 comes in. Tool 3 is Canva, your designer on call, basically free. Now, you've probably already heard of Canva. You're probably already even using it. It's been around a while, but Canva AI is where it's really at. With Magic Design, you type what you want and it designs it for you. One graphic resizes into 10 formats automatically, and the move that makes a brand new business look polished is set your colors and fonts once and everything you make stays consistent. You don't need a design degree or hiring a design person. You just got a design team right there. I touch more on this in module 1 of Build Your AI Team. It's a mini course and you can find it in the description below. And trust me, you want to be taken seriously, and proper design helps with that. So now, tools 1 through 3 help you make things, but if your whole business lives in your head, you'll still drown. So tool 4 fixes that. And tool 4 is Notion, your operations manager. Solo business means everything lives in your head. Every task, idea, client detail, and that's exhausting. It's how things slip through the cracks. One of the fastest ways to burn out is keeping your entire business in your head, while Notion gets it out of your head and into one home, which also makes it easy to share without having to re-explain yourself. And don't overcomplicate it. So people can build these insane setups that scare beginners off, but really all you need is one page, and it has AI built in now to help you organize whatever it is you dump into it. So far you have a strategist, an editor, a designer, and an ops manager. That's already a team, but the next one is the one that quietly makes the money. Tool 5 is Kit, your email engine, the most underrated one on this list. Every time someone follows you on social media, the platform owns the relationship. Every time someone joins your email list, you get to talk to them again, tomorrow, next week, next year. That's how small businesses stop starting from zero every single day. Everyone obsesses over social media followers, but you don't own your followers. The platform does. Your email list, however, that's yours forever. It out-earns social media every single time, and you're never at the mercy of the algorithm. I use Kit to capture people, send my newsletters, and stay in front of my audience on autopilot. If you take one strategic thing from this whole video, it's this. Start building an email list from day one, not eventually, day one. And the last tool, this is the one I teased at the start, the one that runs while I sleep. Tool 6 is NAN. Every other tool helps you do the work faster. NAN does the work for you. It connects your apps and your AI so they run without you touching them. You build it once and then it just happens on its own forever. Here's a real game changer, and here's an example of what NAN can do. Say you did a ton of emails. Well, with NAN, a message can come in, AI will read it, it will draft the reply in your voice, and then it files it. Well, you wake up and it's done. That's not the future, that's now. And I'll be straight, this one's more advanced and you don't need it on day one, but it's exactly where everything's heading. And the women who learn even the basics now will be miles ahead. Is this something you want to see? Let me know. So maybe one of these days I'll do full step-by-step videos on these. So subscribe. We're done with my stack, but here's a quick honest bonus. A lot of you are more sales focused, and if that's you, a tool worth knowing about is HubSpot. I'll be real, it's not in my own stack because I don't personally use it, but people running sales heavy businesses swear by it for tracking leads and customers. So I'd be doing you a disservice not to mention it, especially if you're in sales. So that's your AI team: Claude, Descript, Canva, Notion, Kit, and NAN. You have your marketing, your content, your design, your operations, your email, your automation, a whole company, and you're not paying a single salary. That's what I mean when I say you don't need a team. AI is your team. And if you want me to walk you through setting up your AI team step by step from scratch, I built a free mini course called Build Your AI Team. It's 3 short videos and the link is in the description, so go ahead and grab it. So now you've got the tools, but a tool's useless if you don't know what business to point it at. So if you're not sure what to start or you need help figuring out if your idea is any good, that's my next video. These are the AI businesses actually making women money right now. So go ahead and watch that next and subscribe for a new video every Thursday. Remember, you don't need a team or a big budget. You just need leverage, and AI is your leverage. Keep building and keep it casual. See you in the next one.